To get update of new videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back my channel Marowa Spoken Word. I came back with the next video. Guys, I told I would ready the conversation with sentence. My conversation made already, just left to show you. So let's see. What's up, buddy?
What a present surprise. How are you?
Very fine. What about you?
I'm also. Suddenly are you here? What's the matter?
In fact, I have not met you in a long time, so I came to see
Oh,
you.
so sweet.
If you don't mind, can I say you one thing?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Actually, when I was coming to meet with you from that time, I getting smell so bad.
Very sorry. The environment of our area is very polluted.
Oh my god, it's very harmful for health. I think you know that.
Yeah, dear, I know. But what can I do now?
This is not fair. You have to change it at any cost.
I want to change this environment. But how is possible?
Everything is possible if you want.
Please tell me what is the solution.
The people of this area have to change their bad habits.
As like?
The habits for which the environment is polluted should be stopped.
I will try to make sure everyone does it.
Okay, if you can implement it, the environment in the region will be pollution-free.
Thank you so much for warning me about the environment. I will grateful to you forever.
Welcome, dear. Going to that. I will come another day.
Get on a little later.
Actually, I am in a hurry. Today I have to go.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Friends, this is my today's video. To get my next video, subscribe my channel. Tada.